Man, using the bathroom is the most relaxing thing I ever done. I should do some more. Hey, what? Hey, there's the bird! What? A bird? What is it doing? It took my sandwich and it's into your little Einstein's collection. What? No. Alright, I'll go do it. Alright, Link, where's the bird? Alright, Link, where's the bird? He's up there. What? What? I'm gonna get him. Alright, I'm gonna shoot the bird. Bang! Oh yeah, we got a bird! Alright, little birdie, I'm gonna have you for dinner. Alright, I'm gonna take one of your sea flappers. No, bad child, bad. Take one of the sea flappers. No, bad, bad. No, stop. Stop, bad. Yeah. No, you know what? I'm just gonna stab you. At least I caught one of them sea flap. Wait a second. This ain't a sea flapper. This is a sausage. Ah, stop a bird. I hate the bird. Alright, Link, so this sausage is the only thing we got to eat today. Because we don't have any money. And, yeah, this is the only thing we got to eat. I don't have a job, so. Yeah, the sea flapper, I think the bird, Link, don't be so sad. Come on, no, Link. Alright, anyways, I think the bird brewed up when I cut him with the knife. I think the bird brewed up. It might not even be a sausage. I don't even know. Anyways, it's the only thing we got to eat, so Link, eat up.
I'm not really hungry right now. I'm just gonna go eat some later. Woody, why do you hate birds so much?
Well, they killed Buzz, and they pecked his eyes out like, bah, bah, bah.
I thought he was eaten by a shark.
Yeah, I don't know. I think they ate Buzz. I think sharks are birds, right? They're not like sea flappers. They're like birds. I think sharks are birds, okay?
I'm pretty sure they're fish.
What's a fish? I don't know what a sea flapper is.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go to bed.
Yeah, same with me. Alright. And that, y'all, gotta get my gun. I smell something. Must be a sea flapper. What was that noise? Alright, we gotta go check it out. I wonder what that noise was. Mysterious noise. Yeah. What's that? Mom! Bird! Get my gun. Alright, birdie, time to die. I need to go tell Link it's very urgent. Yeah. Link, the birds are attacking. And we need to do something about it here. Have this, it's a knife. And what I need you to do, I need you to take that knife